How to know if someone blocked you on Snapchat. So if you want to know that if someone blocked you on Snapchat, then let's follow the steps. First, open up your Snapchat application. And let me tell you one thing, that Snapchat itself doesn't give any option to preview if someone blocked us or not. But there are some certain things that we can try to know if someone blocked us or not. So let's begin. The first way is to search for the person in your chats. So to apply the first way, just simply go to your chats, go with the search button which is here on the upper left, and you need to search for the person that you think might have blocked you. So just simply search for the name of the person that you think that has blocked you, and after searching the person, if it doesn't show any option in your chat, the person most likely did block you. But if you have that person, or if you are being able to view the profile of that person, then that means the person has not blocked you. And the second way is to search for the person in your add friends list. So go back and then go with the add friends which is on the upper right, and here you just need to simply go with the search and then search for the person. Once you search, now if you get the name of the person that you are searching, then that means the person has not blocked you. But even after searching for the exact username, you're not being able to get the profile of that person, then it means that the person has blocked you. And the third way is to scroll into the messages. So to know if the person blocked you, just simply scroll into your messages and search for the old messages of the person that you think who blocked you. And if you find the message, then that person didn't block you yet. And if you can't find the messages with that person, it means that the person most probably blocked you. So these are some steps on how you can know if someone blocked you on Snapchat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.